Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday, and I've had a pretty good weekend. Friday, Jay and I went to City Hardwoods in Birmingham. Just made a day trip out of it. Went up there to see David and John up at City Hardwoods. Super cool, guys. If you get a chance, just pick up the phone, call them, send them an email, tell them that you saw them here or you heard about them here, because those guys are just super, super cool and super nice. While I was there, I picked up this blank. It's a Peppermill blank, and I want to ask you guys something. So if I were to put the guts in this thing, and of course this little piece goes on top of that, this doesn't look like, this hole is actually too big, obviously, but this little screw knob here won't cover up that hole as it does in this picture. So it looks like I need another piece, a separate piece of wood. Like I'll need to cut this down to this one, this rod, and all those internal guts. I need to cut this down to fit this, and then I need another piece of wood with a smaller hole, just big enough for this to come through, to be able to put this on here, according to this, what I'm looking at here. Because this particular kit does not come with a plate that would cover that hole up, and this to go on top of that. So looks like I need to just add a piece of wood. It'd be a good chance for some contrasting wood, I guess. I'm not sure. If any of you guys have any experience with Peppermill kits, let me know so I can do this right, because I'm trying to figure this one out. We stopped at Woodcraft. That's where all this came from. But I bought a coffee scoop. I think I'm gonna try to get my oldest boy on the lathe and teach him how to turn. So I think that might be a project. This coffee scoop may be a project for him. Yeah, so that's that. So we stopped at Woodcraft. There was a lot that I wanted to get, but didn't get. But I did pick up those couple of things there. Let's see what else. Oh, if you are interested in a branding iron, one of these deals with Philip Cranford Design Works, we've got a deal going on where he's giving away 5 of these things. So myself, Ann of All Trades, Jack, Alexander, go look at my Instagram page. It's the last post that I put up, and all you have to do is just comment on the post, and then you can also comment on those other people. I put them in there. I put them in the little description there. Comment on each one of our posts, and that'll give you 5 entries to win a branding iron. That's all you got to do. No follow, tag, none of that stuff. Just comment on the post, and you'll get your chance to win a branding iron if you want one. So super cool giveaway. A lot of people are interested in it, but if you don't put your name in or comment, you don't get a chance to win. So all you gotta do is comment. So that's that. I think that's everything. I'm working on the finals on the video for tomorrow, which is going to be a little bit different than I expected. It's going to be more like my story video when I went full time, instead of about these drill holders. I think I mentioned these in a previous video, maybe last Thursday, but I took a little bit of a left turn, and I'm just going to talk about the kids in the shop and how they learn, and what it means to some kids to just get a chance to learn something like that, or work in a shop environment and that kind of thing. So I think it'll be pretty cool. I hope it will be impactful to some folks. I'm not sure how well it will go over as far as interest, but if some people like it or are interested in it, or it touches a couple of people, then that's fine by me. So that's this week. That'll be out tomorrow sometime, hopefully in the morning. And then I'm going to Jay's, make a video on the dartboard, so we'll be auctioning that off. And then I'll get into something else for next week's video. So I guess that's everything for today. Anyway, let me know about this Peppermill thing. And then what else was it? Oh, go over and comment on my last post on Instagram for your chance to win a branding iron. Really cool deal. All right, guys, take it easy. Later.